So another thing that I think a lot of people make a mistake with when they work with an accountant is that they assume that they're getting more than a tax return. And the fact is, you don't, as sad as that might feel. I know that from the perspective of you, creative person, especially if you're at the beginning of your career and just starting out and you're very budget conscious, this was me when I started. Like, I know exactly how this feels because I did this too. I went to my dad's accountant and it felt like a lot of money paying like a full service, prestigious accountant money. It feels like a lot of money, right? And so because it felt like so much money to me, I thought that meant that I would get, advice, tax planning, the ability to ask all my questions. And I didn't realize that if I couldn't fit in, I could only get to ask, maybe 5 minutes worth of questions during our tax appointment. And if it went longer than that, I would have to get him on the phone or make a meeting, and I would be charged his hourly rate for those questions. I didn't realize that. So the baseline for working with accountants is that when you pay for a tax return for a tax preparation, all you get is tax preparation. You don't get guidance, you don't get advice, you don't get tax planning, and you don't get more than, 5 to 10 minutes of your questions answered without paying additional money at their hourly rate.